Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Pike over here. We are in the Timechain calendar.com website, which is basically interface of the status of the Bitcoin blockchain, uh, basically indicating what's the current block height, right? And it gives you the Moscow time, which is how many sats per $1 you can get right at this moment. You have the date, you have the mempool block. So I found this resource very interesting and something you guys can make good use of. And I say, hey, I'm gonna share it with you guys first thing of the update for today. So very amazing. You can go back in on the time chain. You can go forward. It gives you like the block, how many blocks do they having, right? So currently, I think it's about 500. Let's do a check over here. It's less. It's almost 508 or 508 days to the halving. Um, so just in 2 weeks, it's gonna be less than 500 days for the next halving, and yeah. So and then you have transaction, right? How much it costs, like per VB, how many sats per VB? It's one sat per VB at the moment. Um, the lows, the high, medium. So very interesting, amazing. And you have the supply. The supply is at 91.5%. Right, so we have like 19.22 million in circulation at the moment. Amazing. When you consider like almost 4 million of those bitcoins are lost forever. So you have the subsidy, which is 2.25 every 10 minutes. 2.25 Bitcoin is going to support miners, right? To the miner who win the block, right? Um, and let's go to the hash rate. Hash rate is hovering around this level right there. Um, so yeah, so just above 240. So I think it's just a good recapitulation over here. We have the hash rate drop, and it's heading higher. That's what it always does, right? Just you have this massive drop where some company will make up and they they can't mine anymore, and you have like mining go in the corner of the planet where you have less, like you have cheaper energy, good margin business, right, with mining. So that's where the mining is growing the most. And places where energy is expensive, where you have like big hurdle of to miners, then they're gonna go away, and they're gonna move where energy is cheap, abundant, and they're gonna bring this energy to the network. That's good. And we have the price, as you know. The prices are hovering about 16 to close to 17,000 at the moment, um, which is amazing, right? Amazing. A year ago, this price was unimaginable. You wouldn't believe that you could get Bitcoin for this price, but now it's true. You could get it for this much. Amazing. And for the people who really understand the value of Bitcoin, they see this as a center, um, you know, a treat, right? So Christmas gift. So and I'm hoping that it goes a little bit lower, right? For more people can accumulate, right? So take a Bitcoin of exchanges, and like more people, more companies go bankrupt. So that's a good thing. Wash out the scams. That's why I don't focus on FTX. I don't. I think it's all distractions. So let's see over here if you are accumulating $10 every week over the past 3 years. This is what you're getting at the moment. Right, so you're getting like 800,000 satoshis, which is not too bad. Right, so but let's if you put that into uh, 10 times that you're getting 10 times the value, I would say. Um, yeah, that would give you basically $33,800, but that would be like 80,000, 80 million sats. That would be 80 million sats, almost. Yeah, that would be 80 million sats. Right, so amazing, very amazing. So um, yeah, so let's double check on you have you what is it the price. I'm just gonna go over there. This is the mining over here. So the S9 and the basement is running. You guys could hear that the noise over there. So this is the profitability over here. Let's check. You got so we're just getting this over here every day, at least like about like 25 cents, which is like 14 like 1,400 sats at the moment, like 1,400, 1,200, 1,200, 1,600, 1,200. So these are the rate we're getting, because I let it run half day sometimes just to warm the floor. So let's withdraw some of that. I'm just gonna go for withdraw, and I'm gonna send that from the Lightning Network. Just take it off. I don't want to keep my coin anywhere. So I paste my Lightning invoice. Boom, and then yeah. So review, and then boom, and go for withdraw. I draw that, and just gonna put my authentication, and then that's it. So I don't negotiate leaving anything anywhere, because so many exchanges, so many companies are going under. So it's a massive risk to leave anything anywhere. So that's why I'm doing this, so you guys can see the importance of holding your own keys. Um, so my code here is that's for my that's about authentication. Um, insufficient balance. So no, that didn't go through. So there was a transaction fee or something, or network fee, or there's a 5 sats I have to pay. Okay. So yeah, because I had a 5 sat. Okay, I'm gonna do that again, guys. I'm just gonna withdraw that next time. I'm just gonna put 5 sats as a fee. So and I can just withdraw that. Anyways, so amazing. And yes, guys, this was the video for today. Keep DCA, stack sats, stay humble, and study Bitcoin, learn more and more how to take self custody, and why Bitcoin. And check out this Timechain calendar.com, which is amazing. How many sats you can get per dollar. Like I saw a video, I have it on this channel, where you have the kids in El Salvador converting their waveless US dollar tokens or coins into hard money Bitcoin. You're gonna see that on this channel. It's very amazing that the kids are doing it. Just you know, dumping US dollar for Bitcoin. So amazing. Anyways, guys, this is the revolution, and this is the evolution of humans, where we move to a Bitcoin standard where you know we it's so more peaceful, it's more egalitarian, rules without rulers. Um anyways, this was Spy Cover, and I'll see you again, guys, in the next video. Have a wonderful weekend.